Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am up here in beautiful WedgeWoods, just north of Whistler. We have a very exciting week coming up for our Energy Step Code 4 net zero build up here. All the prefabricated components are ready to go, and crane showing up on Monday, and everything flying into place. So stay tuned for some exciting footage coming up. If you like what you see, please follow along on any of the channels. Well, let's take a quick zoom around the site so you can see what's going on here. We've, of course, got our recycling station there. Materials staged for the prefabricated framing. The packages you see wrapped in tarps at the back there. Those are all the pre-framed walls and floor assemblies that were done in advance of the site excavation. Of course, you can see the foundation in place. That's the slab for the main house. And of course, we haven't poured the garage slab quite as yet. And then this piece of impressive framing right here is one of the main roofs that has all been pre-assembled and will be flown in when the walls are in place. So stay tuned for an exciting week coming up.